Self-Featurability in AI Agents. A deep comparison of Agent 0 versus 13 competing frameworks. Here's the question nobody's asking. Can your AI agent teach itself new tricks? Not just follow instructions, but actually extend its own capabilities at runtime, without a developer touching the code? That's self-featurability. And it turns out, almost nobody does it well. We benchmarked 13 major agent frameworks across 6 dimensions. Persistent skill creation, runtime behavior modification, cross-session memory, dynamic subagent spawning, code execution, and tool extensibility. Agent 0 scores an 8 out of 10, and here's why that matters. First, the skill system. Agent 0 creates SKILL.md files at runtime that permanently extend what it can do. These skills are portable across Claude Code, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and the entire AI tool ecosystem. No other framework has this interoperability. Second, behavior adjustment. One tool call, and the agent rewrites its own behavioral instructions. Instantly. No redeployment. No evaluation cycle. Just immediate self-modification. Third, persistent memory. A full vector database with save, load, forget, and query across all sessions. The agent remembers everything it learns. Fourth, and this is the big one, dynamic subordinate spawning. Agent 0 creates specialized subagents on the fly. A researcher spawns a developer who spawns a security specialist. Recursive cognitive division of labor. No other framework replicates this. So who comes close? Voyager, the Minecraft agent from 2023, pioneered the code as skills concept. It builds a JavaScript skill library with a critic that validates each skill before storage. Score, 7 out of 10. But it's locked to Minecraft. ADAS, automated design of agentic systems, takes a completely different approach. It doesn't extend an agent. It designs entirely new agent architectures from scratch. A meta-agent searches over agent programs, generates Python code, benchmarks it, and archives the best designs. Score, 7.5 out of 10. But it takes hours per iteration. Agent 0 does it in seconds. Godel agent implements recursive self-modification of its own source code. The agent reads its own code, identifies performance gaps, proposes modifications, and validates them through a test harness. It can even modify the modification mechanism itself. Score, 7 out of 10. Fascinating research, but unstable in practice. Darwin Godel machine adds evolutionary dynamics on top. Multiple agent variants compete, crossover, and mutate. Only the fittest survive. Score, 7.5 out of 10. Requires massive compute. Now here's what's really interesting. The field splits into 4 paradigms. Cognitive augmentation, that's Agent 0's approach. Skills, memory, and tools extend the agent's mind. It's instant, general purpose, and stable. Architectural search, that's ADAS. Redesign the whole agent. Powerful but slow. Recursive self-modification, that's Godel agent. Unbounded potential but low stability. And parametric learning, that's Agent Q. Update the model weights through training. Effective but takes days. The bottom line? Agent 0 is the only general-purpose, deployment-ready framework achieving high scores across all 6 dimensions simultaneously. Research frameworks go deeper in narrow areas. Domain specialists match it in their specific domains. But nobody combines instant skill creation, behavior self-modification, persistent memory, recursive subagent delegation, and unrestricted code execution in one cohesive system. The future is converging toward this architecture. The 2025 wave of frameworks are independently arriving at the same combination. Agent 0's advantage. It's already there. Self-featurability isn't just a feature. It's the feature that creates all other features.